PPC concept chart. In your own words, explain what PPC is and name one reason PPC is needed in this scenario. PPC is production planning and control. It's a system that plans what to produce, when to produce, and how to produce, and controls the actual production to make sure everything went smoothly. It is needed in this case because the company keeps changing daily quantities at the very last minute. So it is needed to create a stable plan and stop sudden changes that will lead to confusion and overload. So next question is B. The question is integrated planning. Define it and state one word that will improve stability here. Integrated planning is a mid-term production and resource strategy that translates a company's long-term goal into a sustainable 4 to 18 months period. Medium-term horizon. It determines the overall production volume, inventory level, and what cost is to balance ingredient demand with capacity in a cost-effective manner, focusing on product family rather than individual item. One rule that will improve stability here is maintain a constant workforce level over a planning horizon. This avoids the disruptive hiring or firing of labor.
So we move to question C, which is MPS. That one define MPS and give one example line of an MPS entry for next week. So the definition of MPS is the master production schedule. Is a detailed planning tool that specifies which finished product must be produced, the exact quantities required, and the specific days or time periods they are scheduled for production. It translates demands customer order or forecast into a clear weekly production plan that the factory can execute. Example of one MPS entry for next week item plus quantity plus day. Product steel bracket quantity equals to 300 unit and day Tuesday or next week.
Next, we are going to question B. In this question, it asks capacity planning. Define it and use the finite to point to one place where capacity planning is falling or needed. Capacity planning is the process of determining whether a work center has enough time machines or manpower to meet the production of volume are required. Where capacity planning is falling in the minute, the CMC work center gets overloaded on Monday. It shows that the weekly capacity is not being balanced properly too. So next question is E. The question is define scheduling, dispatch, and write one simple rule that will reduce Monday overloads. Scheduling is allocating start or finish time to specific job on machine and question them. Second one is dispatching. It's the real-time release of jobs to the shop floor in the order determined by the schedule. And last one is one simple rule to reduce Monday overload is distribute weekly production evenly across the 5 days in the master production schedule and forbid moving large quantity to Monday.
Okay, so we are going to the next question, which is F, the inventory control. Define it and state one control that will prevent the faster issue. The definition is, inventory control is the process of planning, monitoring, and managing stock levels to ensure materials are available when needed, without causing shortage or excess. One control to prevent the faster issue is set an accurate reorder point ROP and ensure fastener are reordered before reaching the minimum stock level. So the answer is ROP equals to average daily usage multiply lead time and plus safety stock. For the question G is shop floor feedback. Define it and give one data point the supervisors should record daily to close the loop. The definition is shop floor feedback refers to real-time information collected from the production floor about actual work progress, which is status, material usage, and output. This information helps PPC adjust schedule and capacity accurately. One daily data point supervisor should record actual daily production output for each work center. This helps identify delays, overload, and bottlenecks.
Now we are going to part B. For my question, I got Q1 issue PPC layer table. Provide a 2-column table, issue, and PPC layer with one line, how it helps per row. This is how we start. Question B is compare to naive. Select weekly volume for S and B. Naive forecast. Week 0 given S is 40, for B is 12. Moving average for S is 36 and B 12.
Comparison for S naive is 40 is higher than 3 weeks, moving average 36 by 4 units. For B is naive and moving average are equal to 12. Decision selected weekly volume. Use the 3-week moving average as the plain weekly production to smooth volatility and avoid knee-jerk change. Selected weekly volume for S is 36 and unit for B is 12 units. Reason is moving average reduce noise and match short-term trend. V equal in both methods. Question C is state one week freeze, fixed or stability rule and why. Rule: freeze the weekly volume for S 40 units and B 12 units for the first week with 0 of the production plan. D is freeze tense rule. And why is freezing the first week's volume prevent the keep changing daily quantity at the last minute problem. This provides a stable short-term goal for the master production schedule, allowing for the farm capacity and material planning to be completed and improving operational stability.
For question 3A is find the translate volume to weekly minute per WC using standard times. This formula is volume per weekly times standard time per unit. For 3B is find the computer load. When find the computer load, we want to find weekly capacity. The weekly capacity formula is daily capacity times 5 days, and use weekly capacity to minus load to find the margin. For question 3C is WC3 is the bottleneck because it has the lowest margin, and adjustment is at overtime of 120 minutes per day at WC3.
D is equal to average daily usage. LT is equal to lead time. SS is equal to safety stock. This is a way to compute ROP. So the formula is ROP equals to D times LT plus SS.